Yes, gentlemen. Welcome. I want to show you an overview of what I've done in CAMWorks. So this is the part that I wanted to program in CAMWorks. So once you have designed your part, you can activate your CAMWorks. You come to, I'm using SolidWorks CAMWorks. So come to Add-ins and then ensure that you check this CAMWorks 2023. I'm using CAMWorks 2023. Then once you put that, step one is, first step is to define your machine. So you click on machine, define machine here, which is here. I've defined my machine. I can say edit machine. Click on define machine, this first part. Then the machine is here. For CAMWorks, it has all controllers. You have milling 3 axis, milling 4 axis, milling 5 axis, then turning single turret, turning dual turret, turning multi-turret, and mill turn for single, dual, and multi. And also it has wire EDM, electro disposition modeling. So here I'm using single turret that I've picked. Then here it has all the parameters I want. And they come here to post processor. I'm using Siemens 828D. So this is the controller. CTL, that is the controller for the post processor. The CATIA file for the Siemens I'm using. This is Siemens 828D. And then once you do that, you just click OK. It defines the machine. Next to come on, the next step is you define the coded system, which we have defined our coded system. If you're able to rotate this part, my coded system is on this side. This is the part I'm going to do. So it has these two operations inside. It has the internal operations. It has external operations. So you have external turning, grooving, threading. Threading is here, grooving is here, step turning. Then you have the center drill on this side. Here I have boring, and then here inside I have internal grooving. Next you click on stock manager. I can click on stock manager here. If I click on edit definition, my stock manager, I'm using aluminum 6061 alloy. And then here it is, the strategy is cylindrical round bar, which is solid. And then the stock here, the bar parameters, you can come and minimize here. Like for example, I can say I'm using 6. If I put 6, meaning here I can put it is 63.5. That is stock I have. It increases. Then here I have 2 millimeter on this side for facing, and then for clamping I have 30. I can may say 40. Then I click OK. So these are the parameters. Then I can say yes, because I've changed the parameters. I already done that. I've changed the parameters, so I can accept. Then here, next step is very quick for CAMWorks. It's very good for beginners. You can click here. If you want to do other operations, all operations are here. For turning operations, grooving operations, and boring operations. This is boring for internal, grooving for putting a groove, either external grooving or internal grooving or face grooving. Then turning has it has a rough turning and finish turning. So for you to do it very fast, you just click on extract machinable features. You allow it to extract features that you want it to cut. Then you can now modify step by step by editing the tool, editing the depth of cut, editing the approach and the retraction. So this is very quick, advanced way of programming, and it's good for people who are beginners. Actually beginners, you can able to learn programming very fast using CAMWorks. It has how many setup? It has 2 setup. Check the first setup. It has on this side, this setup 1. Setup 2, it has on this side, this setup. So it will do what you call part handling. It will do turning on this side, then it will turn the other side to do internal turning. If you're able to have a machine which can do one left spindle, this I can hold this side left spindle, then this side can hold right spindle. So on this side I'm using left spindle for turn setup 1, then turn setup 2 I'm using the right spindle. It holds on the right side. Good. So let's go. Once you extract this, next is, can you arrange your plan? I want to arrange my plan. Maybe facing the face rough, face finish, turn rough, turn finish, groove rough, groove finish, then turn the other side, the same. So you can click on generate plan. You say update. I want to update. Then I come here again. Once it updates again, say generate tool parts. Generate tool parts. It updates. Then do a simulation. I want to do a simulation. So click on simulate. I will show you. Maybe control 1, control 2, control 3. This is how it is. 6, and then 7. So this is the origin. Z is pointing away. I can rotate it. You can see it. So the origin, this is where how my origin is. So I want to program this part. I can put like this. I want people to see what will be cutting on this side. Yes. I want to minimize this speed. Good. Then I have put transparent for you to be able to see what will be happening. It will do the turning. They be minimized. Pan here. I want to show you. It will do turning on this side. That is turn 1. When it finishes, it go to turn 2. Maybe let me reduce. Then run. So this is now face roughing. Then it come to face finish. It goes to rough turning. Maybe let me increase the speed a little bit. Yes. Now this rough turning. Now we are using turn setup 1, where now here it is where it is holding on the left spindle. Once it finishes on the left spindle, it will do what we call part handling, to use now the right spindle to hold the part. Then it start now turning from there, using left tool, turning towards the right spindle. But now I'm using the right tool, turning from right to left spindle. So this is now doing turn finish. Yes. Groove. The groove. CAMWorks actually is for me. I like CAMWorks. I like Fusion 360, and I like HSM. Those 3 softwares are good. SolidCAM is good. Also, basically is good for 3D eye machining and for MoldWorks. SolidCAM is good. For CAMWorks is good for turning. At the same time, if you're doing now 3D machining, it is good for 3D machining. Even for MoldWorks, it's actually good. CAMWorks is good. So it depends which software you like and the compatibility with your machine. Maybe the problem with CAMWorks is the post processor has not been updated. You need to update yourself. For CAMWorks, the post processor has been updated. Now this is the left spindle. Now it has changed to right spindle. You can check right spindle now. You see? Good. Now that is in grooving, internal grooving. You see how CAMWorks is good? Yes. I've done it very fast, but I'm doing a simulation slowly so to be able to follow it. Good. So next we'll go one by one. That is it did the drilling, then internal. Yes. The next, it has finished. I want to generate the program. You see the program. Good. So how can we generate a program? We call it posting the program. So here we have this, all this setup. If you look at this, the first step is you design your part in SolidWorks. Second step, you select the machine. You're able to select the machine, your machine where it's going to hold. the next step is you define your stock, then code the system for the mine spindle or master spindle, and then from there click on extract machinable features. It will extract automatically for you if you want it very quick. Then next is you generate a plan how you well do you want it to do. Rough finish, turn, groove, thread, like that. Then from there you go to, it has not done the threading because this one have customized the thread, so this one I'll do it manually. Then next is you do you generate the rule path. Then from there do a simulation, see what it does. If what it does not suit what you want, you come now to each operation. Here you click on this, you click on edit one by one. It will pop up, you edit what you want, and then it will update. Like here, the tool number, which tool is using, it is telling you the tool is using CNMG 431 80 degree. So you understand the tool, and then this tool is using for facing, face rough, and then turn rough. That tool will be using for face rough, turn rough. You come to feed rate and spindle speed. You can able to check the feed rate you want. You can check depending on the material. So this one I have not added depending on the material. You can also click on the face rough, how you want it to approach. Is it radial or axial? So here I'm using radial. It approaches from outside, not axial. Axial, it will be approaching from this side, from Z. But I'm using radial so that they approach from X axis as it do the same. Here it has put what you call generate, meaning if you click OK, it generates the tool parts. Here these are the parameters you're able to put. The NC, you check on this what you want. You lead in, lead out, all of them. Basically you can reach here and then you just click OK. It will generate all the parameters that you want. It will generate all the parameters. And then here you see it has put this. If I click next, I can also go and next update one by one, update one by one. Once I finish, I can say now maybe here I've done something, say generate rule part, so that it updates because I've made a change. Once you make any change, you click on it, generate rule part. Yes, that's good. I want to post all these operations, so I come here, post operations. Remember, I want to save there. Maybe let me click where I want to save. Downloads, that is turning. Large icons, I want to look to save where. I want to save on downloads. Let me just save simple. Let's say part program. Then double click on this one. Say the program is okay. This is .mpf, that is for Siemens. .mpf, main program file, MPF. Then you say save. Then here I can before I pick all of them, I want to pick all of them. Yes, here, good. So you can come here on the CAM tree. Which operation do you want? I want all of operations, so I can pick all these operations that I want. Then even the second one, if I want all of them, for example, then I can click here, this part, play. It will play, it will generate the program which is needed. We just click play. The next here, options, you can say, you can put assembly line if you want the assembly line to be there in every operations. Then you say open the file so that you're able to see the program. Once you finish, you tick this tick. It will open the program. Let's see the program, all of them. This is the program. It has opened the program. All these programs are advanced for Siemens 8. Siemens. So I can check here. It is Siemens advanced. Siemens 840D advanced turning. So this post processor editor for CAMWorks, it has all advanced controllers that you're able to use. Like if you want Heidemann, if you want to Siemens 8 milling, turning, Mazag, Haas, Fanuc, whatever. So all these operations, for this coordinate, you don't need to edit again. You just take the program, you put in your machine, and then it will cut what you want. So this is G and M code of the program you have programmed. So ensure that this program, because it is for left spindle and right spindle, once the left spindle finishes, the right spindle can now take the part, and then the left tool starts turning from left to right. So left spindle, use the right tool, whatever position you are, it is coming either from up or from lower side, turn from right to left. Then once it finishes, right spindle takes over, the left tool turns from left to right. That's how operation will work. Thank you for following Dalcrin's technologies. We are a team in Kenya. We teach people on pad programming, design, that is CAD, CAM, CNC, and CAE.